Hi, so in this bubble tutorial, we're going to look at how to create a custom dropdown. By that, I mean, if we take a quick look at the preview of what this looks like. How do we make a dropdown for this? So this would be a custom created one. So if you see here, if I were to add purple now will show up here. And what we want to do that for is if users want to be, or we want users to be able to fully create their own options. So in this case, it's a user puts in like a shirt and they want to have a shirt color. We're going to build this out here and we're going to take a look at how it works. So drag this down and we're going to recreate that down below. So ready, first is I need an input. I need a button. I need a drop down. Great. So this will be input B. Great. So open up this enter button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new thing. I'm going to create a house type. We'll call these house types. And then I will have it a title, and the field type will be text. And the title will equal input B's value. Great. Then here I'm going to say, I didn't mean to click on conditional there. So right now it's static choices. That means whatever I put in this box will show up as options. If I want dynamic choices, that's going to be like we're going to go for a search. So with this one, we'll do house type. We'll do a search for house type. That's all we need on this one. And then we'll do the title. And what that's going to do is give us a list. Refresh this. See, there's nothing in this option right now, but say I say townhouse. Townhouse will show up here. Now, one thing I didn't do that I should have done was make it so when I push enter, this enter button should reset that. So that's something that's easily fixable. Family. Duplex. There. So now I have those three showing up there. This is a value that I can save in as an input. I can put that anywhere in the program. It doesn't have to be here. It can be different pages, anywhere I want. There we go. So allowing these is very easy, depending on the type of program you're making and how you want to have them all associated to each other. That's the simplest way to just make it so users can go ahead and create their own drop-down values. My name is Shane. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of these tutorials. More people that subscribe, the more I'll make videos. I'd like to see this channel get to 1,000. I think that would be pretty cool. It's about 500 right now. So I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.